everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to share with you a few Dollar Tree DIY projects that I came up with that you can use for Valentine's Day as decor. I would like to share this first one that I am in love with, and it is called a pocket pillow. So I'm using the white shams that you get from Dollar Tree in the car section that are basically to wipe your car down with, but I figured these are white and furry and fuzzy and I just love them. I also have some felt hearts, and I picked up this bag of fiber fill from Walmart, and this bag was approximately $4. You will also need to use your hot glue gun. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take the white shams, and I am going to line them up and take my hot glue gun and secure all of the edges all the way around except for the top part. You want to leave that part open so that you are able to use the fiber fill to stuff inside. So now that I have the corners secure, I left the top part open, and that way when I'm ready to fill the pillow with the fiber fill, it is open for me to fill it. But before I do that, I wanted to go ahead and decorate it. And I'm using the felt hearts, and you can arrange these. You can put multiple ones on here. You can decorate this however you like, but I wanted to use the felt because it was, soft. Now with these, I decided to go ahead and secure the pink one all the way down, and I'm going to do the same thing with the white one. And then I'm only going to put glue on the bottom half of the red one and leave the top portion open, and that is how I am going to create a pocket. The pocket you can use for letters, cute little love notes. You can put a piece of candy in there, just something different in there every day if you would like to make this pocket pillow for someone that you love. I'm actually making this for my daughter, and every day or every morning I will put a cute little note in there for her. I also took these cute felt stickers that you find at the Dollar Tree, and I was trying to see if I wanted to decorate the pillow overlap them right there, but I decided to take those and put them in the corner of the pillow. These are stickers, so I peeled off the paper on the back and I just added some hot glue to make sure that they won't come up. And I'm only going to do the two at the end first, and I'll do the other two at the top after I fill the pillow with the fiber fill. So now that is what I am doing. I am going to stuff the pillow and move it around until I get it to the desired size that I want. And you can put as much of this in there as you want. Because I'm just using it as a decorative piece, like to go on her bed, or you can put it on your couch, I didn't want it to be super big, so I didn't put a lot of fiber fill in it. It's just something to, look cute. But if you plan on sleeping on it or using it to sleep on, then I would definitely add more than what I added. Now that I have it filled, I am just moving it and fluffing it around. I'm going to secure the top shut. And now that I am securing the last part of the top, I am going to take the remaining 2 felt stickers and put them right in the corners of this side of the pillow like I did the other side. And that is it, a pocket pillow. I thought this was so cute, and I wanted to use items that was soft. And the reason why it is a pocket pillow, as you can see, I left the top open. I wrote a cute note, and I will stick that in there for my daughter to have in the morning when she wakes up or when she comes home from school. If you cannot find the white shams, sometimes they are not in Dollar Tree, you can definitely use these kitchen towels and do the same exact thing. You can use 2 different ones, and that way it will be reversible. For this next project, I am using a ornament that I had left over from Christmas. I have a stack of red cups, and I am using the top from this Coca-Cola bottle that I have already put a decorative piece of paper on top of, and I am also using a bag of bubble gum. I took the felt that I just showed, and I cut out a little piece that will look like the opening of a gumball machine, and that pack of felt was also from Dollar Tree. So I am taking the ornament and I'm just using some hot glue, and I'm going to put that on the cup, and I'm holding it for a while to secure it. And the bottom black part looks like the opening of a gumball machine. If you cannot find the black felt, you can also use aluminum foil like silver. So I just decided to take some cute hearts and put them on the front and decorate it. And then I am going to add a little saying on the front just to add a little bit of extra decoration to it. So I'm just hot gluing everything together, and then I put I choose you, CHEWS, on the front right there, and then I just added some gumballs, and I put the red top on there. It kind of screws on, but not completely, so but it does stay on and it is secure. So I just thought that was a cute little project to make, a little gumball machine. Okay, so the last thing that I'm making is some Valentine's Day coasters, and I'm using these coasters that you find in the kitchen section. I'm also using some foam brushes. I will be using some Mod Podge and some decorative hearts, or if you have stickers or whatever you want to use to decorate. I'm also using some 6x6 paper, Valentine's Day paper that I got from Michael's, and that was just a cup that I am using to put my Mod Podge in. So I saw some coasters on Pinterest and I thought they were cute, and I said, hey, I can make something like that using the coasters from Dollar Tree. So I cut out a piece of paper, and that is what I am going to use on the top of this one. I could have done a better job with cutting out the paper, because I think in the corner I didn't cover it completely, as you'll see in just a second. My cutting job was a little off during this time. Just a little bit in the corner. So basically I just put the paper on top, and then I'm just dabbing Mod Podge all over it, and of course it's going to dry clear, so don't worry about that, but it's to put a nice coating on top, so you'll be able to use these as coasters and the paper won't get messed up or anything. So you can add more decorations to that one if you want. I was just kind of showing you generally how you can do it. Now on this pretty black and white one that comes like that, I just cut out some hearts out of some red paper, and I'm gluing those down. And I'm just going to do the same thing like I did with the other one. Just glue those, and then I'll put Mod Podge all over it to secure those down. And then I will let those dry. until everything gets clear and everything is just, you know, really dry. But for the sake of the video, I have already made a couple that I will show you in just a second. So you just cover everything up and you let those dry, and you'll have some cute coasters. Okay, so these are the other ones that I came up with. I used some felt hearts and I just put 2 of them on there. I really like that black and white pattern. And the cup sits nice on top of that. I made sure everything was flat, so nothing would, you know, tip over. On this one, I just used some red and white paper, and then I took this pack of stickers. I added one on top of that, and I did put Mod Podge all over that as well, so it won't get messed up. And I did the same with this one. As you can see, it's still shiny. It has the Mod Podge over it, and then I just did this one. And to give as a gift, I figured I would just do 4. So I'm just going to stack those however I want to. Take some ribbon, and then I will tie those as if I'm giving them as a gift. And that will be it. 3 easy DIY projects. I'm really in love with that pocket pillow. My daughter really is enjoying it as well. She already has it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY video. I hope if you make any of these, leave it down in the comment section and let me know which one you are going to recreate. Thank you guys all for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.